This is the Oxford bus station. It's quite close to Westgate. This is the place you board to Heathrow Airport. Here's a fare. You can either buy online or you can buy on bus. Actually, buy online is cheaper. This is the timetable. Our bus leaves at 8:45. It leaves on time. We pick bus because it's really convenient. It's one stop. If you take a train from Oxford to Heathrow Airport, first you need to take the train from Oxford to Paddington Station in London. Then you have to get out the station, go to the subway, Paddington Station, then go to Heathrow Airport. Bus is actually very convenient.
Welcome on board, and thanks for travelling with us. Please be aware that government guidance still recommends wearing a face covering on public transport to reduce the risk of spreading or being exposed to COVID-19. And remember, not everyone is able to wear a face covering.
On the way to Heathrow Airport, there are several stops, and this is first stop here, Westgate. Now we are going through Oxford. The bus goes to the central station, and from there it's really easy to go to Heathrow Airport terminals. Another stop. Now we are on freeway.